Okay, so I've been debating on doing this video for a little while, and I thought today, well, let me just go ahead and do it, okay? You know, I've always been very self-conscious about my teeth. They're not very pretty. But anyway, so I've tried everything I could do to get them white. You know, nothing's helped other than, you know, pulling them, getting false teeth. I didn't want to do that. My dentist didn't want to do that. So I saw this thing on Facebook, Pop On Veneers, and I thought, well, let me try it. I got them in. They're beautiful. They're straight. The only thing is they're really, really white, okay? So y'all hang on. I'm going to show you, okay? Hang on. Get them top ones in, okay? Now look how pretty those are. They're very pretty. They're straight. I can smile and have confidence. So I got a list that's going to be for a few days till I get used to these bad boys in my mouth. So just wanted to show everybody my new teeth.